Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Bank of America digital wallet. So this is going to be a super easy tutorial, you will just need to follow the steps. So to use Bank of America digital wallet, you will first need to log into your Bank of America app. So just open the app, log into your account, and once you are on the app and logged into the correct account, click on the menu icon. So once you click on the menu icon, you will have a lot of options. So from here, you will need to select manage debit or credit card. So just choose that and then select the card that you want to be adding to your digital wallet. So simply choose the right card and then tap digital wallets. So once you click on that, you will basically need to choose what digital wallet you want to be using. So is it Apple Pay, PayPal? So just choose the right one for you. And then Bank of America app is gonna ask you to verify this. So you'll just need to click on verify. So after filling the information requested from you, so once that is filled, click on verify and then simply click on use as default card, and by doing this the card is going to be added for you. So once you go back to Bank of America app, you will basically see the card there. So the card is going to be added to your digital wallet, and that's it. Super easy and simple.